Welcome to this Delph Stack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix a fatal error in Slack. This error usually happens because of a connection problem, browser issue, corrupted cache, or temporary Slack server problem. First, refresh Slack and try again. If you are using a browser, refresh the page. Sometimes the error is temporary and a quick refresh is enough to fix it. Next, check your internet connection by searching for speed test in your browser, then click Run Speed Test. Make sure your connection is stable because weak or unstable internet can stop Slack from loading properly. After that, switch networks. If you are using Wi-Fi, try using a mobile hotspot. This helps determine if the problem is related to your current network. Now, disable any VPN or proxy if you are using one, because they can sometimes block or interfere with the Slack connection. Next, clear your browser cache by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Delete on your keyboard. Select Cookies, Site Data, Cached Images, and Files, then click Delete Data. After that, restart your browser and try again. If the error still continues, try using another browser or another device to confirm where the problem is coming from. In most cases, the Slack fatal error is fixed after refreshing the session, clearing cache, or switching networks. That's it. We just learned how to fix a Slack fatal error by checking the internet connection, switching networks, disabling VPN, We also
proxy.
cleared the browser cache and tested another browser or device. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next Delph Stack tutorial video.